All right, here we are. Welcome to the pre-game Super Bowl show. Compliments of JNL. We got this sexy redhead here. We've got Yeli. Yeli, are you enjoying this pre-game today?
Woo, it's a beautiful day. So happy that we live here in Miami.
My
gosh.
gosh.
You know, anywhere around the world, you want to be here today on the big day.
And the big day. Look, we got Shelby here. Shelby, fellow redhead. Shelby, we love you. I want to just share the story with Yeli. Yeli, take the mic. Show everybody about all the success breakthroughs you've been having here in the VIP group. Go for it.
You know, it's been awesome. Obviously, being around high vibration people is great. You're going to be able to attract so many good things, so many blessings. And it's those little constant reminders that, hey, you're on the right path.
Yes.
When you're seeing that, when you're feeling that, it just keep going. As long as you're feeling good about how you feel at that moment, oh my God, good things can only come from it. And look, here we have energy. She's getting pumped.
I love what you're saying. Now, let me ask you this.
Go.
What would you say the number 2, 3, top 3 things that you've accomplished in January and that you're going to take into February with you?
You know what? It's always reconfirming to yourself your goals. And no matter how good you think you're doing, because I've lost weight, and of course the positive feedback from JNL. Come on, are you JNLing? That's what I like to call it. Because it's a verb. This is not a noun. This is a verb.
Yes. Oh my God.
You can't be around this woman and not feel the action and the activity and the positivity.
Show them your football. Your football.
My little football.
Right here.
Wait.
We're ready. You know what? You are the MVP. You are the MVP of your life. All of our VIPs out there, you're the MVP. Remember that. Don't give up. You know what? A lot of times you could be on the sidelines of life.
Oh God, no.
But no, and
get in the game.
Get in the game. Get in the playing field of life. And you know what's so funny? We have people that are on the sidelines of the game, and they're telling us what to do. No, honey, you get in the game yourself, and then talk to me, right? And I love this microphone. It's so it's so like, hey, so this is our Super Bowl halftime show. This is our Super Bowl halftime show.
Yes.
J-Lo and Shakira.
Watch out. Get that little shimmy going on.
Yes. All right, so close it out. What can we tell of our VIPs this Sunday for February, month of love, everything that's going on?
Well, first of all, this is live on your regular Facebook. That means there's people that aren't part of the JNL VIP group. Come on now. Don't just do it for yourself. Do it for all those that know you. Once you have more fun, they're going to have more fun around you.
That's right. That's right.
Life is one.
That's it.
Every day should be the best day of your life,
That's it. And you know what? When you increase the quality of your life, you increase the quality of everybody's life. Oh, and guess what else? There's a boomerang effect. Then you get rid of the people that are there that don't need to be in your life.
They won't see you. Your light's too shiny.
You're too shiny. They're going to go.
They're blinded.
Yes, and they're going to go somewhere else to be a vampire and be a parasite and be a bottom dweller because they have no place in your life anymore. Because you flush the cosmic commode. We flushed the cosmic commode. Okay, tell them before we close it out.
The NFL experience here at Wynwood was so funny.
There was a huge toilet.
There is a huge emoji poop that you go in to a magical commode ride.
Flush it.
Yeah, and you flush away the negative thoughts. Now, I was going to post that out because I did the whole ride experience and I thought, wow, this really goes into everything that you've been saying.
Yes, just flush it.
Just flush those negative thoughts.
Flush it.
So I'm going to post that on my Facebook page today. It's a Yeli Aguirre, and it's so funny. You're going to enjoy this cosmic commode ride.
God, it's getting hot up in here.
It's hot.
It was
not
cold.
60 degrees.
No, let me show you.
Beautiful.
Let's just give them a little tour of how beautiful this is. Guys, we're here at the Hilton Bentley Beach Club. We're going to have lunch here. Then we're going to go to Nikki Beach. Then we're going to go to Muscle Beach. We're going to be doing live coverage of the Super Bowl city, Miami here. And we love you. Rita, God bless you. We love you.
Bye.
We love you, Shelby. We love you, Valerie in France. Valerie, I talk to you tomorrow. I have a consult with Valerie tomorrow. I can't wait. We're going to get, she goes JNLing. She like that.
JNL.
Give it up for Yeli, guys. She has got really great MC skills. We're all shining brighter together. Have a great Super Bowl, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye. Love you, Shelby. Flush, Rita says.
I love it.
Bye, guys.